Oh, hello there. My name is ZUPER. What's your name? Oh, look at all the yummy berries. Should I eat some of them? Let's try maybe one or two. Mommy will not notice. What do you think? I think I should. Yum, 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 yum. Maybe one more. Yum, yum, yum. So delicious. Amazing berries. Yum. Oh no, I ate them all. Mommy will be upset now. Guys, do you think you can help me? Please? Oh guys, you are the best. You brought berries. Yay! Do you know why we need berries?
No!
Well, let me tell you. Mommy will make the best berries cheesecake in a jar. Now let's bring the ingredients. Blueberries and raspberries. Biscuits and soft butter. Cardamon pods and sugar. Of course we add sugar. Vanilla paste and berries compote. Oh my god, I love berries compote. Double cream and cream cheese. So yummy. Let's get started. This recipe is so easy to make. Now let's get Mommy to help us with this. We need to crush the biscuits, but not too much. Let's mix the biscuits with the soft butter. Crush the cardamom pods or use the cardamom powder if you have, but my mommy didn't have, so she used the pods. Now we just add cardamom to the biscuit and butter mix. We add sugar, vanilla, double cream and cream cheese in a bowl and whisk until firm. Vroom goes the mixer, vroom! Oh mommy, can I taste? Just a little bit please. Oh wow, this is really sweet and nice. Hey, it's amazing. Mommy will now transfer all this nice and sugary mix in a piping bag so we can get started. We start by adding just a few spoons of biscuits and then we layer everything. We put the cream, we put some berries compote, of course, yummy berries compote. Put some berries, and put some cream again. Add again some compote and put again some berries, and that's about it. It's cream compote berries, cream compote berries, all the way to the top. Oh wow, just look at those colors. They're amazing, I tell you, amazing. Thank you very much for watching. This was my first episode here. I really hoped you all liked it as much as I enjoyed being here with you. Oh, and as mommy always says, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or leave a comment. Don't worry, if you're shy, just say hi and I'll reply back to you. If you excuse me, I really want to eat this cheesecake in a jar, so bye bye for now.